Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you are allowed to reach Facebook where you are. This is crucial. Once done, identify your current DNS server on the device because that informs your next move. Make sure you have administrative access to change settings on either the device or the router. Without admin rights, you cannot complete the process. These first steps set up a safe, compliant path. They prevent wasted time and ensure you can make changes correctly and revert them if necessary. Next, choose a reputable DNS provider whose privacy and security align with your needs. You want one that offers good performance and clear policies. Once chosen, review latency and resolver features so you pick the option that balances speed and safety. Before changing anything, record your original DNS configuration accurately so you can restore it if needed. This middle phase is about deliberate preparation. Careful selection plus documentation prevents accident. Finally, apply the DNS settings on the device or router, save them, and reboot to ensure they take effect. Once restarted, flush the DNS cache and then test connectivity to Facebook to verify results. If the service still fails, revert to your saved original settings to restore normal operation and contact your ISP or network administrator to resolve access restrictions legally. Troubleshooting tip. If DNS changes don't help, clearing caches and confirming no other network filters exist usually reveals the real cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.